Hello everybody, this is Toshi Yagi from beautiful little island Okinawa, Japan. I'm a photographer. I shot this image for a long time ago when I was at art school, and this is pretty contrasty photo. The face and the background to be so contrast. Well, I got this image, and also I have this line, the pencil drawing type image by Adobe Photoshop. Here's a filter called Find Edges. And today I want to try to make illustration using the smudge tool. Let me try what kind of image it's gonna make. Well, first of all, I'm gonna turn this pencil drawing type off and duplicate layer from this. Then I'm going to turn this base image off. I'm going to work on this layer first. Well, let's get started. Okay, I'm going to choose smudge tool, evolve. As usual, I usually use this evolve. I like this, a brush. Well, smudge tool. Okay, get it placed. Oh well, and go from outside. No, that's okay. Okay, about pretty small size. Outside of the face, and I go the face person. Well, let it touch more smaller, and I go smudge. Real careful with this eyes and stuff. A little bit bigger to show the texture. Just show the texture of the brush. This smudge tool. Go outside. Okay, make it a little bit bigger. Okay, that's pretty good for costume and okay, a little bit bigger. Make a size. Okay, now I'm gonna make it much bigger. Then you don't see this kind of these are cloth. It's gonna smudge pretty big size, so you're not gonna see this edge of the cloth. Try not to see these straight lines and stuff. I'm gonna break these straight lines. here and there. I'm gonna break it. So okay, almost done. Okay, well, top. Make it more big, so time consuming. Just smudge inside to outside. Now, what am I gonna do next? Well, I'm gonna just blend these shadows to outside. Just touch rough smudge here like this. That's kind of neat. Okay. Now what? How about add layer and paint on some color? Well, use that. This is airbrushing. Okay, medium hard blend. This one shows what color do I like. Well, let me try this. That's greenish. Then change the blend mode. Normal to color. And also just touch saturated red on lips. Okay, then how about eyeshadow? Dark blue. Then touch magenta. How about, oh, okay, by the way, I gotta put some pinkish here too. It does show like a nice eyes. Okay, that's pretty good. Now, what else? Now this is color for face almost. Then I'm gonna use this pencil drawing type image. Let's see if I change the layer mode. Let's see, it's overlay now, and I'm gonna make a mask. Then, well, let's see it invert. Now I'm going to choose the brush. Well, painting too. Well, let me see Salamanca this time. This is not interesting. I'm going to do it again. I'm going to clear this. Again, invert this. Then choose the brush. Well, let's see Terraria. Yeah. Let's see it on this. Layer mask, reveal. Then make big. Just want to see first. Linear burn. I see the lines too. Well, let's make an interesting illustration. Do it again. I changed it to linear burn on this pencil drawing type image. Okay, blend mode, linear burn, then layer mask. I'm gonna clear again, invert mask. Now choose a Terraria brush, then reveal. Okay. Change the blend mode. This is interesting. Okay, now I'm going to duplicate this layer. Then I'm going to invert this, clear first, then invert. Now I'm not using this layer yet. These two images, I guess I made this. Let me clear it up. Clear this and explain to you again. So layer mask, well, we have pencil drawing type image, 2 of them. Then I'm gonna clean up this now. Clear this, then mask, invert mask. Okay, again, this one's clear, then invert mask. Now we don't see any this pencil drawing type image. Okay, now we are looking at only smudged image on this one, normal. Now one pencil drawing type image is overlay. When you take this mask off, this is the effect. This is the effect of the overlay blend mode of pencil drawing type image. Now I'm gonna hide this. Then the other one. This one is linear burn. This effect is, I'm gonna take the mask off. This is one. Dark lines effect. Okay, now I'm gonna reveal these masks to get the effect of this or this. Now I want to get the effect model's costume. This is lighter color and sort of shiny color on the highlight side. So I want to get this. So I'm going to reveal on this mask to get this effect on the here. Then the other one. This is the dark image of the linear burn blend mode layer. So dark side. I think this is pretty interesting effect on the background, those lines and stuff. So I'm going to reveal this mask only the area that I like to get the effect. Okay. Now let's start from this mask. Now I'm going to reveal highlight side, I said. So I'm going to use a soft brush. Airbrushing to soft brush because I don't need the texture of the brush. So just choose the white to reveal on this mask. Size a little bit smaller. Then maybe opacity 70-80%. Okay. Now, next. Oh, well, let's see. This much, but I will reveal this just a little bit more. Just to emphasize highlight, shiny effect. Okay, this is it. Now next layer mask, dark one, this effect. I think that's interesting on these outlines of the image. So I'm going to reveal this mask now with same brush, soft brush, to get this. Now I'm going to go opacity 100%, then reveal here. Well, make it bigger. Then I want to get this image like around here. So you see some darker. I want to affect both effects this area. Shiny highlight and dark edge from the pencil drawing type image. Okay, and also let's see around here too. Right here. You see some black. Okay. Now I guess it's pretty much. Then also yeah, that's pretty impressive. Okay. And now I think I'm gonna make mask on this. Make mask. Then I'm gonna hide with the black. With 100%. Then make it bigger. Now hide outside. Okay, that's about it. Now kind of interesting outside illustration. Well, okay. This is it for today. And thank you for watching my video, and I hope this movie is going to help you some kind of interesting idea for you guys' work. And have a nice day, and see you next time. Bye now. Ciao.